Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can download pictures from Pinterest. So in here, I've already opened my Pinterest and let's say I want to save one of the pictures in here. For example, I'm going to download this image. So you can just find the pictures that you want to download, and here after you open the pictures you can just click on the three dots icon in here to see more options, and there will be the option to download the image. So just click on download image and it will automatically starting this one. To see the result, you can just click on the folder icon to show the pictures on the library. So that's pretty easy. That's how you can download pictures from Pinterest. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.